Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your residential address on Amazon for digital purchases. First, open Amazon and log into your account. Click on your account from the top menu. Scroll down to the section Digital Content and Devices and select Devices. Once you're in Content and Devices, go to the Preferences tab. Under Country or Region Settings, click on it and select Change. Update your address by typing your new residential address. You can either edit the existing address or add a new one. Once you're done, click Update. And that's it. That's how to change your residential address on Amazon for digital purchases. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.